You know what is life, eh? As usual, my name is Rogers Kasole. I have come here to thank our visionary leaders of this country, Uganda, for their good leadership, because it would be absurd for us to start talking good things about our leaders when they are gone, instead of telling them when they are still alive. So to me, I had to think beyond the capacities of Mayo Bolongota today, and then I said, no, I should go and say thank you to President Yoweri Museveni, his commanders, and all our visionary leaders for leading our country so peaceful, for helping us to raise to the levels where we are globally. Uganda is one of the countries with the people with intellect, great intellect. However, we are not so much talked about, but we are a great nation. Me, who has been traveling the world, I know who we are now. If you move around streets internationally, you'll find Ugandans, they're progressing, they're in big capacities, they're doing great businesses all over the world. There's no way we would have reached there if we had a timid leadership which would not allow us to travel out of the country or to do whatever we want to do. I am very happy that you have all grown, people of my generation. President Museveni came when we were 5 years, 6 years, but some of us, we are now old men. I'm going to clock 45 years this month on 23rd of August. I'm dedicating my birthday to the visionary leaders of this country, most especially President Yoweri Museveni. Without you, there's no way I would have made 45 years. Without your visionary leadership, there's no way I would have come to this understanding that I'm having right now. It is a beautiful understanding. Please, when you go to God or when you go to retirement, you tell them that there's a young man called Rajab Kasole. He didn't grow. He was just in the cover watching me when I'm enjoying his... I can't talk about it. However, thank you for the peace in this Great Lakes region. There is no place which was so hostile when it comes to peace like the Great Lakes region. But as we're speaking now, it is one of the most peaceful places to live here in Africa. However, it is not talked much about it, but Uganda is very peaceful. Everyone is peaceful. People are so educated. Companies are growing. Businesses are going well. Politics has grown. People are just no longer walking to work. They're just enchanting. I can't even explain about it. Thank you very much. Thank you all. The Parliament, stay blessed.